Namaskar. Today we are going to prepare Arranchini balls. Ingredients required are risotto, fresh breadcrumbs, beaten egg, refined flour, pesto sauce, salt, white pepper powder. Refined flour, I am seasoning with salt and white pepper powder. Keeping the egg here, beaten egg, and this is the fresh breadcrumbs. Preparing the Arranchini balls. Stuffing with pesto sauce, Arranchini balls stuffed with pesto. I am putting it in the seasoned refined flour. Dip it nicely, dipping it in the beaten egg, and putting it in the fresh breadcrumb. Now it is ready to be fried. Deep frying the Arranchini balls. Arranchini balls stuffed with pesto sauce is ready to serve.